Hello friend, as you have seen the thumbnail, today I am going to talk about unlocking, and today I will talk only about Vivo handsets. For any models of Vivo, you can unlock your Vivo model any without going any service center and without help of any computer. So welcome again your own channel Mind Thunder. Are you really worried about the phone locking? So in today's video I am going to show you how to unlock phone without with a very simple trick. So get ready as I am going to tell, just follow it and unlock your phone in few minutes. And you can unlock pin pattern finger face lock. This video will prove to be very effective for you. So before going to start unlocking process, I want to share one thing with you. If your phone is not unlocked by this process, please tell us in the comment section which handset is yours and which model is it. So make sure your phone must be in flight mode, and because this method is called offline method and which is used in service center also. This process is fully offline method. So now I will tell you unlocking tips as you can unlock phone sitting at home. Some simple steps you have to follow with me, and you watch this video continuously without a skip video, then you will be able to understand about the process very well. So this I am going to start. You can able to see this interface. You have the option of make emergency call. So you have to, and this phone is locked to the password, and you have to click on emergency call. I am going to share you for Vivo only for just listen clear carefully. This code which I am going to share you, this is only for Vivo viewers, and you have to apply this code only for unlocking, and this code is valid up to October 2023. So this code is a star has 9688 a star 554. After that you have to press. I'm going to zoom this code. If you want to take a screenshot, if you want to note down, please note down this code and call on this number. You will get pop-up message, call failed message, so ignore this message. I tell you one thing clearly, this phone is not a Vivo, this phone is Realme, but this I am working, our team is working for any type of Android. So today a video only for Vivo, and this code is only for Vivo which I am share you. So now you have to call on this number minimum 3 times and erase this number and apply this code star hash 899 and hash. Now you can able to see engineer mode page is activated. So click on manual test, second row device debugging page, sensor self test, and both option you finally you can check gyroscope accelerometer. Both options not started once, must have to be passed. It will take time, it will take whenever it will passed in 1 time 2 time, whenever it will take time for 5 times 6 times above 10 times. So apply this code, apply this method. Once must have to be passed in this two option. So please take care this, and we can't go for the next step. Once we have completed this process for, and we will take the next step. So this option must one have to be passed. So finally gyroscope is the passed. Come back from this option and check proximity sensor test, and there are three option is coming. So click on proximity sensor test and confirm here. Come back from this option and check M sensor auto test. Now finally test is successful now. So you can able to see gyroscope and gyroscope graph have to check this three working or not. So finally this is working fully, you can able to see. So come back, it means your data or application not be lost here. So come back, and the last step, the others option, this is the last process for unlocking. So now have to click 7 times on database version or mainboard version, whatever about it. So click on 7 times and rewrite important log test, confirm here. Now password is reset. As per you can see, the wrong password is showing on after completing this process. You can check through the reading receipt complete indicator, my friend. So this is passed. Finally you can able to see after completing the whole process, we After completing the whole process, now it's time to check our phone whether the lock of our phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise, let's press the home button. And as you can see, my dear friend, your Vivo phone must be unlocked without loss of any data or application. So I hope you like this video, subscribe our channel, like and share.